on how you can be approved for a $8,000 credit card. Hey guys, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome. But we're going to go ahead and get right into it. Today, I'll be bringing you guys some information on how you can be approved for a $8,000 credit card. Now, today we have Citi, and Citi has a credit card with AT&T. Now, the good thing about this credit card is you can earn $100 statement credit after spending $1,000 in purchases in your first 3 months from your account opening. You can also earn up to $240 back every year for AT&T wireless customers, and you can earn a $20 statement credit on your AT&T Points Plus Card statement after you spend $1,000 or more on purchases in a billing cycle, or earn a $10 statement credit after you spend between $500 and $1,000. Now, another great thing that this credit card offers is no annual fee whatsoever, which I think is always great. Now, the application process is very simple and straightforward. Now, with this credit card, there is no limit to the amount of thank you points that you can earn. So you can earn 3 thank you points for every $1 spent at gas stations, and you can also earn 2 thank you points for every $1 spent at grocery stores, including grocery delivery services, and you can earn 1 thank you point for every $1 spent on all other purchases, including AT&T products and service. Now, I do think this could be a really great card, especially if you already have a credit card with Citi, since if you have another Citi credit card that earns thank you points, you can combine your points into one pool for easy redemption. Okay, now I would highly recommend this credit card if you have a 670 and above credit score. Now, they do pull from Equifax, okay? Now, the Citi previously offered 2 different AT&T branded credit cards, but the more premium version of the AT&T Access More card from Citi has been closed to new applicants, okay? But the Citi offers several perks to make AT&T Access card work better for you. You can take advantage of the following flexible options. So they also offer choose your payment date, contactless pay, and digital wallet. So do I think this could be a really great card? Yes, especially if you are looking to save and earn points to redeem for things like gift cards, travel rewards, and use your points at checkout with participate and shop with point partners. Now, they do give increases every 6 months of making your payments on time. So if you guys are looking for a high limit credit card, this could be for you. And of course, if you guys would like to see more videos like this, make sure that you hit the like, share, and subscribe button and the notification bell so every time I post a new video, you can be notified.